Hi, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network, joined by Highlands Pacific Managing Director Craig Lennon. Hi Craig, welcome to the network.
Thanks, Jessica.
For new investors, can you just give us a quick introduction?
Yeah, sure. Highlands Pacific is a very interesting company. We've got a great portfolio of mining, exploration, development and production assets that give investors exposure to cobalt, nickel, copper and gold. The company is very well positioned for the battery revolution that's taking place. We've got an interest in a $2.1 billion Ramu project, which is producing significant nickel and cobalt, one of the largest cobalt producers in the world. We've got an interest in Frieda River copper gold project and exploration at Star Mountains and Siwa Bay. All our projects are in Papua New Guinea. We've been there for 20 years, so we know it well. We've got a market capitalisation of about $80 million, so plenty of room for upside.
Now to more detail on each of your projects. Just start off with Ramu.
Ramu is a very large project. It's got a mine life of potentially 30 plus years. In 2017 we achieved record production rates, nearly 35,000 tonnes of nickel and 3,300 tonnes of cobalt. With cobalt at $80,000 a tonne US and nickel at $13,000 a tonne, the project's generating significant cash flows.
And what about Frieda River?
Frieda River is a massive copper gold project. It's got a metal inventory of about 13 million tonnes of copper and 20 million ounces of gold. We've got a 20% interest in this project. Our joint venture partner, Graham, a Chinese state-owned enterprise, has the balancing 80%. The project is currently in for permitting and the manager is investigating optimisations of the project currently.
And what about Star Mountains?
Star Mountains is an exciting copper gold exploration project. It's near Ok Tedi mine, which is in the western part of Papua New Guinea. We've got some really exciting drilling results there, 600 metres at 0.6% copper and 0.85 grams per tonne gold. It's 100% ours. Anglo-American joint venture partner withdrew from the project. Just recently we announced a maiden inferred mineral resource on it, and we're currently looking for joint venture partners to come into the project.
And last but not least, your Siwa Bay project.
Yeah, Siwa Bay is a little nickel laterite exploration project down in the southern tip of PNG, which we're working with some Japanese partners on.
Turning to financials, Craig, just give us a snapshot of your finances.
Highlands is in a sound financial position. We've got about 9 million Aussie in the bank. We've got no large cash demands given the way we've structured our projects. We've got a small head office, so we've got low corporate overheads, and Ramu is in the process of generating cash returns for us. This month we will receive our first distribution from the project.
Sounds good. So Craig, what's your focus for 2018?
Look, Highlands has got projects at all stages of the development cycle, so the focus doesn't necessarily change from year to year. All we're trying to do is advance our projects to create shareholder wealth. So at Ramu, we're looking at maximising the cash flows we can get out of the project and optimising our debt levels. At Frieda, we'd like to see the permitting progress, and then at Star Mountains, we'd like to see a joint venture partner come into the project.
And last but not least, what can investors expect in terms of news flow over the coming quarter?
I think the biggest thing for investors over the coming quarter is that they'll realise that Highlands provides major leverage to cobalt and other battery metals. Ramu is going to produce its maiden cash flow, and that cash flow will grow over the years. And at Star Mountains, we look forward to bringing into a joint venture partner into the project.
Wonderful. Craig Lennon, thank you so much for the update.
Thanks very much.